In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email submission to your Shogun page on Shopify in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, and, with a few simple steps, you'll have an effective email capture form ready to engage your customers. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. If you don't have a bookmark already set up, just type Shopify into your search bar and click the official site link. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, the next step is to log into your account with your registered email and password. If you encounter any issues with logging in, double-check your credentials or use the password recovery option. Once logged in, direct your attention to the search bar within your Shopify dashboard and type in Shogun. You'll be directed to the Shogun Page Builder dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now, select the page you wish to edit. This may be your home page, a product page, or any other page where you aim to collect email addresses from your site visitors. Being intentional about the page choice is crucial to ensure you capture the right audience at the right moment in their browsing journey. Now that you have your page selected, look for the element library within Shogun. This library holds all the tools and features you'll use for customization. Drag the form box element from this library straight onto your Shogun page. Think of the form box as the container for your email submission form. Don't worry, placing it correctly is as easy as dragging and dropping. Once you have your form box in place, you need to start constructing the form itself. Inside the form box, search for and drag the form text input element. This will allow users to input their email addresses or any other information you're looking to capture. You can customize this form to suit your specific needs. To make sure your visitors can submit their entered information, add a Form Submit button within the form box. This is the gateway for users to send their data over to you, marking a successful form submission. After arranging these elements, click on the form box to pull up the settings panel. Here, you can bestow a descriptive name upon your form, making it easy to identify later. Renaming forms can be a lifesaver when you manage multiple submissions across different pages. Don't forget to specify the email address where you'd prefer to receive these submissions. This ensures all form entries are promptly sent to your chosen inbox. Additionally, consider the experience you want users to have after submitting the form. You'll want to include a redirect URL where visitors will land post-submission, which could be a thank you page, a special offer, or some other meaningful content. Finally, ensure all changes are saved within the Shogun editor. By saving your work, you apply this brand new form to your live page, making it instantly accessible to your site visitors. Congratulations! You've successfully added an email submission form to your Shogun Shopify page. Don't forget to test the form live to verify everything works smoothly and data is collected without a hitch. Happy building!